Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to install and configure MySQL database. So let's get started. Now open your Chrome browser and type MySQL installer. Go to download MySQL community server. You will see Windows MySQL installer MSI. You have to download this. Click on go to download page. Here you have to select Windows MSI installer, this my installer community version. Click on download. It will redirect you to this page where they will ask you login or sign up. You don't have to log in or sign up, just click no thanks or start my download. Your download will start here. The file is about 436 MB. Meanwhile, we will see if you want to download MySQL for other operating systems. So when you will visit this MySQL community download, you have to select you have to select your operating system. Now I am having this Microsoft Windows, so I have selected this go to download page option. If you have different operating system, click here, scroll down, see which operating system you have. If you have Ubuntu, Debian Linux or Mac OS, select those operating system and then download the file related to your operating system. Now our file has been successfully downloaded. We'll double click on that and open the file. We can run that file. I'm preparing to install. Just say yes. Yes. So this is the setup page, or you can say the installer page of MySQL. Here you will see different options like developer default, server only, client only, full, custom. In developer default you will see MySQL server, shell, router, workbench, MySQL Visual Studio. In server only you will just install server. In client you will install router, workbench, or if you want to install full version you can install it, but for now we only need some server and workbench. So click on custom. Next, now you have to select the products. Click on MySQL server, drop down and select this. This is the latest version of MySQL server 8.0.25. just click on it and click this green button. This will drag this product over here, which will be installed afterwards. Then click on applications, workbench, MySQL workbench. See, MySQL workbench 8.0.25. drag this here. Okay, now click next. See, the following products will be installed. These products are ready to install, but here you will also face some issues if you don't have Visual Studio installed. So make sure you have Visual Studio installed, or if you don't have Visual Studio, then also no problem. It will automatically configure your system and it will install, and then the MySQL server installation will be processed. So I will execute this. This is installing, it is in progress. Following products have successfully installed. You just have to click next. Then now our product is ready to configure. Click next. So this is the default configuration of MySQL. So this MySQL will be running on 3306 port and protocol will be TCP/IP. So you don't have to make any changes over here. If you are a beginner or if you are a professional, you can change your port or your or server settings or anything. So if you are a fresher, just keep these settings as it is and click on next. Now this authentication method means in the next step you have to enter a strong password for your MySQL settings. So you will click you will select use strong password encryption for authentication. Then next you have to enter MySQL root password. Enter only the password which you will remember. Till then don't enter a complicated password. So for now I will enter password like only root. You can also enter root or the password which you will be remembering, but enter such a password that should not be weak. For now my password is weak, it doesn't matter, but when you enter the password, make sure the password is strong and you can remember those and you can remember that password. If you want to add any user, you can add using this add user button. Now I will click next. Now in this Windows service, this will ask you configure my SQL server as a Windows service. Select this, then it will say that start MySQL server as a system startup. Okay, select. Don't make any changes here, just click next. Now all the configurations are being applied. After everything is ticked here, we just have to execute it. So I'll click on execute and see all the configurations are being executed. Once all this is executed, the MySQL will be installed on your laptop or PC. Make sure you have a good internet connection because while installing all this you need an internet connection. So you can see the configuration of MySQL server 8.0.25 was successfully installed. So click here to finish. Simply you have to do next and finish. Now the installer has finished doing its work and it has installed your MySQL Workbench and MySQL on your system. So guys, I hope you all have understood how to install MySQL on your system. If yes, then do like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such technical videos. Thank you.